Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to get a huge follow button on Instagram. So follow along the steps, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and what you're going to do here, you're going to just go ahead and double check if your Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up the Instagram app. Now as you can see, this is the front of the page. Now I'm going to click on my profile icon, and I'm going to make sure that my profile is in the professional mode. If you haven't updated your Instagram account to the professional mode, go ahead to the three bars at the top right, go ahead to the settings, and then scroll a little bit down, click on the account, and then add the new professional account and follow along the steps so you can apply those settings. Now as you can see, this is my professional dashboard, and if I wanted to add a huge button of my a huge button to follow for people to follow me, I'm gonna just click right here, edit profile on my professional mode, scroll a little bit down, and then go ahead to the action buttons. In the action buttons, you're gonna just add whatever you want. So let's say for example, I'm gonna add book now, and I'm gonna just add like an appointment or something like that related to my product, right? And basically you're gonna be able to see eventually the huge follow button on your Instagram after you add or verify that you have appointment or something like that, right? So you're gonna be able to maximize the follow button on your profile page after you add the booking or something related like a partner or something like that. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.